So today we're making steaks with Parmesan shrimp.
Good. This is a ribeye steak. This is the easiest way you can prepare it. All you need is the Johnny's seasoning. It has everything on it.
Just say Johnny's seasoning.
Johnny's seasoning, whatever. And then garlic. Oh no,
that's not garlic.
You need pepper. So what you're gonna do is open it up, sprinkle it a little bit. And you flip it.
Wash your hands.
I already did.
Okay. That was giving it instructions.
Okay. I forgot to put pepper. There you go. Flip it back. Ground pepper is better, but this is what we got. When you cook it, you just put it in the grill for 10 minutes each side. 10 minutes, all the way hot, flip it, 10 minutes, and get it out.
Cooking potatoes and asparagus and green beans with Johnny seasoning, garlic, and pepper. There you go. So we're also making the shrimp, the Parmesan shrimp. It's gonna go on top of the steak. It's gonna be bomb. AF. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I make the shrimp. So I use these shrimp. They're the extra small. They're from Walmart. They're like $5. And I don't know if I'll do the whole thing, but I'll do most of them. A lot of water, so I'm gonna let them like melt first, I guess. Then I'm gonna add the butter, pepper, and I think a little bit of salt. Some pepper, some salt. So yeah, we went to two different stores for these things. This one's from Winco, the heavy whipping cream for the sauce. I'm gonna use the whole thing, and you're gonna have to let it cook till it gets half the size, and then add the Parmesan cheese and some salt and I think pepper. Well, we ran out of pepper, so we'll see. We found the pepper.
I don't know how to put it in. Do you break it or open it, twist it, or something?
No, wait till this gets half the size, and you want to stir it and not burn it. The potatoes are done. You add some Monterey Jack cheese. It doesn't really need to be cut up or anything, but because it'll melt. I also add pepper and some salt, and I don't measure anything. And then I add some milk. I have some 2% milk. I don't put that much, and I don't measure it either. Just a little bit. And then you just mix it up, and it should be nice and soft. It's a dark, rainy day today.
Super hot.
Hmm? Oh yeah. Hasta lo limpió. I'm just kidding.
Only 5 minutes.
They said 10.
We do 5. I mean,
What?
let's do 7. Okay, I don't like it. Cook all the way.
Okay, it really
Longer,
depends.
cook
You have
all
to. Okay, you have to check on it. That's how we cook. We check
I don't
everything.
check. I got my time.
Oh.
10
You
minutes.
just fucking said 10 and then
Rare,
5.
like almost well done. 7 minutes is like medium rare.
Okay. Okay. 7 minutes is medium to rare.
Let's do fucking 10 minutes.
10
Time.
each? Okay, for like a full cook, 10
7:07.
minutes one side, 10 minutes other side, and if you want it less cooked, a little less. So, that's how we like it, a little less, not all the way cooked.
So it'd be juicy.
Oh yeah.
Don't open it for some
Okay, I'm gonna go check on my part because he's taking care of the steaks. Hey, smells bomb. My cousin, you remember the
fire. They're almost done.
Yeah, they look juicy. Oh,
I mean, they're done.
you're gonna ruin it. Mine's a juicier one. Ooh, he's burning my eyes.
Okay, so it's been about
He lost track of the time.
7:07, so 7:18.
11 minutes.
11, so we're good. Give me a plate.
That's it? Alright.
A little thin one.
Perfect.
That's good. Perfect. I'm gonna get mine out. Bring
Okay,
it.
and then I'm gonna finish my part.
Okay.
So I'm ready to add the Parmesan cheese. I'm doing half a cup. Add salt and pepper, but I do that to taste. I don't like measure it out. And then you can add basil, which I think it's supposed to have basil, but I'm not gonna do it this time. So we'll see. I'm sure it's gonna still be good, you know. And I'll probably link down below the recipe just so you guys can actually follow the directions. But this is how I'm making mine today. Here, only show the food. Come on, hold it. Hold the camera for me. So now that everything is ready, I'm gonna put the shrimp on top of this steak. And you can put extra sauce or however you want. Okay, I think we're good.
Mine is juicier.
Can't even see. Alright, but wait, what else did we make?
That's all.
Oh, okay. That's it. So good.